Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel. बच्चों, we are here to tell you about a new job notification that has come up, and it has come up from the one of the best PSUs for the electrical engineers. That is, yes, my friend, Power Grid. So Power Grid is the best PSU. It is the biggest PSU and offers the highest package among all the PSUs. Believe me, my friend, when I was preparing for GATE, this was the PSU that I always looked up to because I knew it will offer the best package among all the PSUs and it is very, very prestigious. And though it may be late, but it has released its notification, and in this video I am going to tell you about what all they have told in the notification and what all points you need to keep in mind. So let's get started. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes. And beta, I am presently working as a director at Unacademy for GATE department. Now, my dear friends, you might all know this about me, but what matters the most is that Unacademy is always there bringing so many amazing and free initiatives for the betterment of society, for the betterment of students, and to revolutionize the education system. And my friends, our free initiatives are not restricted to YouTube. They are also available on Unacademy Learning app. It is an app which you need to have in your phone even if you have to remove WhatsApp. You can download it from the Play Store and App Store and then click on any free initiative to access it, and the lock to that free initiative gets unlocked via one key, that is Ankit ESE. Okay, so this key will unlock any lock on Unacademy subscription, Unacademy free initiative like free quizzes, free test series, free combat. Just remember this code Ankit ESE. Now let's dive into the notification released by Power Grid. So Power Grid has released these many vacancies for electrical executive trainee. ET means, here if you see, this ET means executive trainee. So unreserved 12 posts are there, OBC 5, SC 0, ST 1, EWS is 2, that is total of 20. Then ET electronics, for electronics also 6 vacancies in unreserved and 4 vacancies for reserved categories. And then civil also has an opportunity in Power Grid. 5 vacancies for unreserved and 5 for the reserved categories, a total of 10 vacancies. Okay, so these are the vacancies released. I would say these are not very large in number, not very much, but at least the top rankers of GATE 2021 can aspire for these opportunities. Now, candidates should have appeared in the corresponding GATE 2021. That is, for electrical, you must have appeared in E, for electronics in EC, for civil in civil. The qualifying marks shall be as declared by GATE 2021 governing body. That is the cutoff. So they are saying whether or not you have qualified GATE, that is in the hands of GATE. Power Grid will not basically tell you if you are qualified or not. That is totally up to GATE. Now, they have also mentioned the corresponding paper for electrical EE, for electronics EC, for civil CE. So they have removed any discrepancy or any claim whatsoever what you can do. So now this year many electrical students have gotten great ranks in instrumentation, but you can't use that rank to apply in Power Grid. You need your rank in electrical. Okay. Next. The upper age limit is 28 years, okay, as on 31st December 2020. Educational qualification, full-time BE, BTech, BSc from recognized university, okay, and electrical can have BTech in electrical, power, electrical electronics, power system engineering, power engineering. These are the branches: electronics, EC, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and electrical. So triple E students will apply under electronics, not under electrical. Okay, communication or telecommunication engineering. For civil it is very simple, civil engineering. Now see the CGPA criteria. 70% percentage or equivalent CGPA. Now, equivalent CGPA, basically, you have to get that conversion from your college. Suppose your college gives you pointer, now you have to ask them to certify what is the criteria of converting the pointer into percentage. Okay. Now, final year students who expect their final results by 14th August 2021 are eligible to apply. So they have also given a deadline that you must get your results before 14th of August. Otherwise you cannot apply, provided they have obtained 70% marks or equivalent CGPA in aggregate of all the semesters up to the pre-final examination. That is before the final examination, that is up to 7th semester. Your total percentage or total CGPA should be corresponding to 70%. Earlier it used to be 65. Now they have raised it to 70. Now, application fees. Now, SC, ST, PWD departmental candidates are exempted from application fees. Now, you are required to log in your candidate login section. On the PowerGrid website, you can log in on the candidate login section, and you have to deposit a non-refundable fees of 500 through online only. You can't give a DD, you can't give cash. You have to deposit online. Okay. Once submission of application fees, your application will be treated as complete. Now, the applications are starting from 25th March 2021, and you have to register on the powergridindia.com website with the details of your GATE 2021 registration number and whatever information they have asked. These applications will close in 20 days on 15th of April. Okay. And it will be application process will be completed only if you pay the fees. So if you have registered but you have not paid the fees, then it will be considered as incomplete. No hard copy of application form you have to send. Don't send any hard copy. So you just have to sit in front of your computer and apply. Don't worry about anything else. Now, selection procedure. So it contains the marks obtained out of 100. Out of 100, how many marks you have obtained in GATE 2021, group discussion and personal interview. These are the 3 stages in any PSU that recruits through the GATE examination. Qualified candidates shall be shortlisted category wise, okay, for GD and PI based on their normalized marks out of 100. Electrical ECIN don't need to worry about normalization, but civil engineers, yes, they need to think about normalization because they have multiple sets. Okay. Now, candidate must qualify in the PI to be considered for empanelment. That is, even if you score less marks in PI, but you at least have to qualify the personal interview. They will keep a minimum that these many marks you need to get into interview as well to qualify. That is, not only they will see your total score, including the GATE score, GD, PI, but they will also have a threshold for specifically personal interview which you have to exceed in order to be considered. Okay. Now, what is the qualifying percentage in interview? 40% for unreserved, 30% for OBC and other categories. So remember, at least 40% marks you need to obtain in your interview. Now, group discussion will not have any qualifying marks, so that you can chill in your group discussion. Okay. Now, weightage of different parameters. GATE score weightage is 85%, 3% for GD, 12% for interview. That is, out of 12%, unreserved students needs almost 5 marks and the reserved category needs around 3 to 4 marks. Okay. Now, commencement of application is from 25th March and date is 15th April. Note it down and apply immediately, guys. Okay. So that was all. And my friend, if you want to prepare, you can also watch my special classes which are all available on this link, tinyurl.com/AnkitESE. You will be able to watch all my classes that I have taken so far or I am taking in the near future. And you can also join Unacademy Plus, where you get all the top educators teaching live on a single platform, providing comprehensive and crash course, providing you daily assignment, weekly quiz, test series, question bank. And not only this, if you have any doubts, your doubts are also cleared. In one subscription, you get access to all the branches, all the batches, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year foundation, placement, interview, PSU AE. And my friend, in case you miss any class, you can watch it recorded. Then, if you want to go one step ahead, go with Iconic, where you get a personal coach who will create a study planner for you. Teachers will provide you study booster session. You will have personalized test analysis telling you your strengths and weakness. You will have extra study material, and you will have a dedicated team responding to each of your query. And if you wish to join, use the code Ankit ESE, and believe me, my friend, you won't regret your decision even for a single day, because this year Unacademy learners have cracked it, and they have done so well in the exam that if you now become a part of Unacademy, you get all the upgraded facilities and you can do even better. So this is a new batch that we have started recently on 17th of March, in which I have started taking analog. Vishal sir is bringing control from 31st of March. If you wish to learn from the best educators in the best possible manner, don't think twice, join Unacademy. Same with the aspirants for GATE 2023. Now my friends, with Ankit ESE code, your 1 year fees will become 27,225, 18 months 34,650, and 2 years will be 39,600. Go with 2 years so that there is more chance of cracking the exam, and here you can pay in EMI without having to pay any interest. You can pay in 12 equal EMI. Similarly for Iconic, if you go with Ankit ESE code, your 1 year fees becomes 45,225, 2 years 66,600. Go with 2 year, per month cost is minimum, and avail EMI, 12-month EMI. Don't need to pay any interest, and you can pay by debit card as well. So this is my Unacademy profile. If you download Unacademy app, you can follow me and you can chat with me in case you have any queries. Okay, and you can join my Telegram channel t.me/gateair1 to stay updated regarding all the notification, all the free initiative. And for any subscription related queries, you can even call 70890-47561. And my friend, I have a Telegram group by the name Ankit Gate for any doubts, and you can also connect with me on Facebook and Instagram by the ID SSG IIT. So thank you everyone. I hope you guys apply. I know the opportunities are not many, but whatever handful of opportunities we are getting, we need to make the best use of it. And I would like to wish you all the best. Do like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment behind in case you have any queries. Thank you.